This is a test in which we'll evaluate two cleaners in refinery decontamination procedures. What we'll do is we'll take two beakers with the exact same amount of slurry oil from a FCC unit and put in a combination of cleaner and water in a 5% solution, 5% cleaner and 95% water. We'll heat the hot plate up to the point where the liquid will steam, and we'll observe to see how the oil is removed from the surface. Here we see the two beakers when the liquid is starting to get hot and bubble a little bit. The material on the right hand side is JPX, and you can see that really starting to steam. We'll take a look and see how this continues. Here we can make some observations between the two products. The Chemco material did not really break up that oil. It just kind of let it come down to the bottom of the beaker, whereas the JPX fully emulsified it and allowed it to move freely about in the bottom of that beaker, as you can see. Chemco material, you still see it fairly heavy and consistent. Takes a lot more to move it around that surface of the material, surface of the glass container. Another interesting point is after letting the two beakers to resettle, the oil from the slurry oil in the Chemco container seems to actually reset itself and reform it, and the liquid just kind of stays on top of that oil. As you can see here. Whoop, got a little too much steam. Whereas the JPX allows it to still flow freely in the solution, showing that it should be able to break up the very heavy oils and allow it to be rinsed and removed from the containers. Here's one more view. You can see how it sticks, the Chemco material sticks on the bottom of that beaker, and the cleaning solution actually kind of separates from the oil, that oil sticking to the bottom of the beaker, whereas on the JPX beaker you can see it moves within the liquid phase.